Luxury begins with natural's own colors.
Every fiber is protected.
Only true fox tones are approved.
Cleanliness without damage. Graded for premium jackets. Nature is preserved, not altered.
Soft preparation begins.
Balance is everything. Human skill meets natural beauty. Phase 1 complete.
Cleaning begins without touching the color.
Hygiene without harsh chemicals.
Sterilized, not altered. Luxury depends on natural oils. Purity without color loss. Heat is carefully controlled. Signature softness achieved. Perfect flow restored.
Phase 2 complete.
Alignment is the foundation of elegance.
Order without force.
Only premium length continues.
Balance creates luxury.
Texture is engineered.
Sheets of warmth are born.
Precision defines comfort. Design begins here. Direction defines luxury. Cut without compromise.
Design meets nature.
Edges are secured.
Precision is checked.
Human eyes matter.
Harmony creates elegance.
Stability before strength.
Jackets take shape.
Panels unite to form the jacket's heart. Every joint respects the furrow's flow. Form enhances luxury.
Strength without compromise.
Details enhance function and aesthetics.
Luxury is in the finish.
Comfort inside, beauty outside.
Shape perfected, fur preserved. Only flawless jackets move forward.
Phase 5 complete, ready for QC.
Softness and shine are enhanced naturally. Every fiber in place, every jacket perfect.
Color and glow verified.
Flow restored, fibers free.
Luxury shape locked in.
Hence perfect what machines start.
Every edge refined. Ready for quality control.
Panels meet with exact precision. Panels meet with exact precision.
Every seam respects the natural flow.
Luxury is in the details.
Comfort and elegance combined.
Strength without compromise.
Finish perfected.
Comfort inside, luxury outside. Luxury silhouette achieved.
Phase 7 complete, ready for quality control.
Every seam is strengthened, every fiber preserved. Luxury flows from tip to root.
Plushness perfected.
Uniformity is the mark of true luxury.
Flow restored, no tangles.
Every jacket ready for approval.
Consistency is key.
Luxury fox fur jackets, ready for QC.
Quality awaits.
Luxury is verified in every fiber.
Touch meets perfection. Strength ensures longevity. Color brilliance verified.
Function meets elegance.
Consistency is premium.
Every detail perfected.
Luxury fox fur jackets ready for final finishing. Quality control complete. Every jacket flawless. Each jacket is protected before shipment. Identification ensures traceable quality.
Luxury preserved to the last fiber.
Efficient handling without compromising quality.
Luxury arrives intact.
Preservation until dispatch.
Global luxury begins its journey. From raw fox fur to luxury jackets, quality travels worldwide.
Every phase complete, from natural red-brown fox fur to luxury finished jackets.
A masterpiece of nature and craftsmanship. Luxury fox fur jackets perfected.